Hey guys, Steve Welch here at Beaman Toyota in Nashville. So got the message on my dash this morning. I'll show you what that was. Basically said my key fob battery is getting low. So Toyota's going to give you a bit of a heads up before your key fob battery dies on you, so you don't have to use the backup way of starting your vehicle or unlocking your vehicle. I'll show you what those are here as part of this as well. But my Tundra uses this specific key. This is a little bit different than some of the old ones, like some of your old Highlanders. Some of those will use a different key. The reason this is important is this is using a different battery. This is going to be on Tundra, Tacoma, Sequoia, Grand Highlander. There's just a lot of the current Toyotas are starting to use this key, and it has a bigger battery. So the battery that you're going to use on this one is a CR2450. All right, so maybe you can kind of see it, maybe you can't, but if you look on the back of the battery, you can usually see that it says CR2450 on the back there. Most of the older ones would use like a CR2032, and when I say older ones, I mean the push button starts. Most of the ones that actually had a key to them used like a CR, I think it was like a 2016 or something like that. So there's a few different batteries you can have. You do need to know which one you're using, because it has to be the same battery that goes in. And then you also notice, if you look on the back, there's a big plus on the top there. So you have a plus, that's the positive side, minus is the negative side. Don't put it in upside down. So notice how you're taking it off when you open it. So that's just a few of the disclaimer stuff here. I'm going to show you how to open this particular one and a few other things here as we go. So if you look on the back, you're going to see that it has that little slide that's right there. All right, that slide's going to allow you to get your slide key out of here. So in order to get your slide key out, you need to slide this over. All right, so once you slide this over, you'll be able to pull this key out. Right now, this key will actually open your door. So then what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, and you got this little area that's right in here. You're going to put this in here and turn it. When you turn that, it acts like a tool, and it's going to open your key here. Right now, you can set this to the side. Now you're going to look at this part, just turn it over. This is going to fall out. Right, and now you'll see you have your CR2450 right here. You got a little spot you can put your fingernail back here. So I'll set that other one off to the side, and I just kind of put some pressure on it while kind of taking these tabs, right? So I put some pressure on it while grabbing these tabs, and you'll see, be careful not to break them, by the way. But once you do this, you'll get this, it'll start to pop up, right? And like I said, notice that your plus is on top there, right? But once it starts to pop up like that, you're gonna be able to clear it. These tabs right here don't move, so you need to move this back as you're popping this out. So you'll keep lifting it, and once it pops out, then you have your old battery is popped out, negative side's there, and all right, now I have my new battery. Very same. Now it doesn't matter, like I've had some people say, oh, you gotta put the plus to it doesn't matter. The plus is the top side here, but you do want to slide that in here first. So slide it into these tabs first and give it a little push. Once you give that a push, press it down, and now you can see that it's pressed down all the way around, and you're good right there. All right, now you're going to come back here and you're going to take this again. Now realize you can't put this in the wrong way, right? It can't go in upside down. You'll see that pretty easy. And we got, what do we got? Looks like a little American going overhead there. Actually, it's a big American, 737 anyway. But you're also going to see this right here. So you're going to pop this back over top, push this back together. You're going to hear those snaps. And make sure it snaps all the way around. Once it does that, you got this back open here. Take your slide key, put your slide key back in, and then you're ready. So your key will actually go into your door right there, and that's on your driver's door in most of your Toyotas. And then all you need to do is just take the back of this key fob here, and you actually touch that to your push to start button while pushing in your brake. As soon as you do that, it'll light up the dash, it'll see your key. So even with the dead battery, it'll see it, but hopefully the notification that Toyota gives you that your key fob battery is running low, hopefully you'll get ahead of it, and then you don't have to worry about it because you'll still have power in your key fob and you never have to go into the emergency use of your key fob. How you will change your key battery in the new version of the key fob in your Toyota Tundra, Tacoma, Sequoia, Grand Highlander, several of them in your new key fob there. So Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota, you guys have a great day. We're gonna talk to you soon. Bye.